G'day guys, Alex here. Hey, every single day I used to go down to Australia Post and I used to send off goods. Let me just check my PO box here. I used to send off goods to my customers, and basically every single day I didn't have a life. The first 3 hours every day I was sending off packages to my customers, and basically I could not have leverage. I couldn't go overseas. I couldn't basically have a holiday. I was confined every single morning for the first 3 hours of every day to sending off packages. I tell you right now, you do not want to do that. So Amazon FBA, get them to fulfill everything, because you do not want to be spending the first 3 hours every day in there. All right, have a great day. See you later. Bye.